y'all? It's your girls and I. Yeah, today I'm back with another video. So as y'all can tell by the title, you already know what's gonna be happening. So this video probably won't be getting uploaded to like next week or something. But y'all already know this should be happening. So before we hop into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And click that bell notifier every time I post. But don't forget, baby, if you ain't gang, baby, you can't hang in this one, period. Okay? So I'm gonna give you a couple seconds to subscribe. Yeah. Okay, so y'all should subscribe by now. So yeah, so as y'all could tell by the title, this week y'all going purple with me to get ready for my trip that's on Friday, period. Yeah, first time flying. I ain't going out the country yet, but yeah. So as y'all can see, I'm touching up my hair because yeah, I'm gonna show y'all before, and then y'all see the after product right there. So when it's fully finished, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Y'all, I'm finished. It's like 12 o'clock in the morning. Not my phone was telling me it's about to die. But yeah, it's like 12 o'clock in the morning, and I'm finally finished because I decided to procrastinate, of course. But yeah, finished. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, it's giving hair is trip ready. Now I just gotta do my lashes. Y'all seen how I did that in my last video. So I gotta do my lashes and my nails. I'm not doing it right now. I'm gonna do it later. So peace out, y'all. Until tomorrow. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Zanaya, and it's like day 2 of me getting ready for my trip. So I'm about to do my lashes. Yeah, should have watched my video before. So that's not a tutorial, but you gonna watch me anyway. So let's get started on this. Yo, I find it funny how every time I try to record my video, somebody always calling me. But it's cool. So I got one side of my lashes done, like all nice and cut. I'm about to start on this one. Oh shoot, I didn't even see this piece. Okay, y'all, they finished. So yeah, but I'm about to run the storage again, so I'll see y'all tomorrow. What's up, y'all? So I'm back. I ain't do yesterday, so I'm doing today. It's literally officially one day before I catch my flight, my first flight. But anywho, I did my lashes, as y'all could tell. Just did my nails, yeah. And now I'm about to do the toes. So yeah, and I'm already picked up. Y'all see it right there, boom, bang, shing. So yeah, I can't wait. YouTube kings, and I'm yanking. We here. Like, we're actually freaking here, bruh. Like, first flight. I'm scared as hell. Like, what if I die? Alright, I'm not thinking, but I'm not gonna think negative. I'm gonna think very positive. And I'm gonna think negative, but I'm here, ho. I'm here. I'm gonna show y'all the plane. Hold on. I'm gonna show you the little outside. Yo, that's the plane right here. I'm trying not to get people in it because I don't want people trying to shoot me and stuff. But yeah, that's the window. That's the plane right there. Hold on, I'm trying to get them out. That's the plane right there. Y'all see the people working, putting bags and stuff. Yeah. Oh, this is real. What the freaking real, y'all. Oh yeah, yo, I cut down my nails because they was too long, like way too long. I was going to the bathroom, a little TMI. I was going to the bathroom, y'all, and I hit my freaking nail, and it hurted so bad. It hurted so bad. But it's okay. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm talking about, oh, that's the That's our please, baby. Come on off the plane. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. But yeah. Y'all, I can't wait. Okay, yo, I'm here and I was been supposed to vlog, but I'm so comfortable. I have food in my summer. Alright, yeah. But I'm so comfortable, y'all. Like, I don't want to get up. Like, yeah. I had went to the beach earlier. Only went for a little bit. Then I came back and I still had to wait for it to get checked in because they check-in policy wasn't until 4. So, yeah. But I'm up here and right now I'm so comfortable, y'all. This bed is just so comfortable, y'all. Like, but yeah. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when I feel like getting back up.
Well, yeah. Oh, you want to know where I'm at?
I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy.
Where they at?
Where the niggas that get ratchet?
Where they at?
My son need a new pappy.
I know damn well that is not my shit I just heard. I know damn well you not biting off my shit.
Gotta go, they just let me know that I could pick up my Mercedes. I got hoes in different area codes. Everywhere I go, every time I call and they drop the low.